Hello everyone. Today I have something to unbox with you. I just got the mail today and I'm super excited that I can't wait to unbox with you guys. Um, uh, this I just pull this tab for quick unbox, and let's me unbox together. Uh, you see the Louis Vuitton? Yeah, it is a Louis Vuitton. This is the online. I order is online, and I just got it today. Uh, this I just got this kind of box. It's a different. Maybe I can let me cut this way. This is my second time to order online, but in the first time I don't do the unboxing because I returned that piece, and then okay, this you see Louis Vuitton written in here, and this is the item. We have a shopping bag and the receipt, and this is the item and the little card. Let's see this envelope first. We have thank you card, exchange card, and this code for exchange. And what else? This is the I don't know what is this, and this is the receipt. Okay, let me see what is the item. Okay, this is the a little bit I wish I got the red ribbon or the special ribbon, but it's not. But it's the because it's in the period of the Valentine's Day. But it's this ribbon. This is okay. Okay, let's take this off. This is the bag. It smells good. It smells very fresh. Smell very new. Maybe you can guess what it is for this. Okay. Tan. Yeah. This is the wallet. Is this the Cremon's wallet monogram in the fuchsia interior? See, very beautiful. Oh, smell good. Smell very fresh. This is the microchip piece. They didn't have the date code on there. I have some story to tell you. I have my eye on this wallet for long time, but I don't get it for long, for 2 or 3 years. One of the reason is I have CP wallet, the long one, and the bigger than this, and the Emery wallet, and the small CP coin purse, and the coin from the Chanel one. I think that I think I have enough wallet, but for 2 or 3 years in the past, I still thinking of this wallet. In my head, I keep thinking of her, but I cannot stop thinking it. Then I decided to you should get it. For stop thinking of it. Okay, she's very pretty. The gold zip, round, very beautiful design, and this side, and the zip very easy, very smooth. Okay, let's see inside. We have the fuchsia interior and this pocket, and card slot 4 on each side. Total is 8, and the zip we have the tag number and the little card. This is a new style of little card. It said coated fabric, vachetta leather, something like that. The same of both sides. Okay, but this side is English, this side is French. I think for a long time to get this, so today now I have her. It's so very smell good. Oh, I'm so happy. This is my second online order. In the first time I ordered the same wallet, the same item, but I didn't do the unboxing video because I have the problem with this zipper pull. This is easy to open, but my first one is very hard to pull this open. It's hard. Then I decided to return that one, and for around that 5 or 6 months, I cannot stop thinking of her. Then I decided to order her again in the same item. I'm afraid to get the same problem, but now there's no problem. This is very perfect, and I'm so happy. Okay, I think that's it for today. Happy Valentine's Day for everyone, and hope you have a good health, and take care everyone. Bye.